In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Minecraft with gift card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to purchase Minecraft if you have one of these gift cards that includes the game for both Java and Bedrock Edition, or how to purchase the game if you have something like an Xbox or PlayStation gift card. The same thing will also work if you have a Nintendo Switch or Nintendo eShop gift card. So first, if you have one of these that basically includes the game, then what you have to do is redeem it on the official Minecraft website. So this is what it looks like. PC game, you will see the price, and it's either going to say only Minecraft or Minecraft Java and Bedrock. To redeem this type of card, go to minecraft.net through a web browser on your computer or your phone, hover over account, and then go over to redeem. So now you will be able to input the code here. You will enter the 25-digit code, and they are going to ask you to sign into a Microsoft account. So you cannot just download the game. It needs to be assigned to your account, and you will use that account to play the game. So all that you have to do is input the code here, sign into your Microsoft account, and you will have access to the game. They are going to teach you how to download the game, and then you can start playing. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, you also might have a PlayStation or Xbox or Nintendo gift card. In that case, you need to redeem the gift card on the respective platform. So you can also do this through a web browser on your computer or your phone, or if you prefer, you can do it directly through your console. So these gift cards are going to include funds that you add to your respective account on these platforms. So you choose the option to buy Minecraft. They are going to ask you for a payment method. And once you choose the option to add a payment method, you will see redeem a gift card. Just like buying or redeeming the code on the official Minecraft website, you will input the Xbox or PlayStation or Nintendo gift card here and then receive the funds. Afterwards, you can use the funds from the gift card to purchase the game. You will also be able to do the exact same thing through the Play Store on an Android device or the App Store for iOS. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.